Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best auto-follow drones for capturing stunning aerial shots. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. S6 Intelligence Folding Drone. 8K HD Dual Cameras Smart Obstacle Avoidance Remote Control Aerial Photography Aerocraft Gift. Capture breathtaking aerial footage with the S6 Intelligence Folding Drone, featuring an 8K HD dual camera setup, smart obstacle avoidance, and a remote controlled, foldable design for convenient use and portability. The advantages of this auto-follow drone are high-definition 8K dual cameras for sharp visuals, compact foldable design for easy transport, smart obstacle avoidance for safe flights. The disadvantages of this auto-follow drone are limited flight time. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. V888 Drone. 8K GPS triple camera professional obstacle avoidance optical flow positioning brushless upgraded quadcopter RC drone. The V888 drone is an advanced choice for professional photographers, equipped with 8K GPS triple cameras, optical flow positioning, and a brushless motor, designed to provide stable, clear aerial shots and intuitive obstacle avoidance. The advantages: triple camera setup for versatile shooting, brushless motor for quiet operation, GPS and optical flow positioning. For stability, the disadvantages: higher cost due to advanced features. At number 3. Xiaomi S1S Aerial Photography Drone. 8K Professional HD Camera Optical Flow Positioning Brushless Upgrade Foldable Quadcopter. Xiaomi's S1S drone combines professional quality 8K HD camera technology, optical flow positioning, and a foldable frame, making it a powerful and portable choice for capturing impressive aerial photography. The advantages: professional 8K HD camera for detailed imagery, foldable for easy storage and travel, stable flight with optical flow positioning. The disadvantages: requires frequent charging for extended use. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Potensic C0 Mini Drone. 3-axis gimbal 6 km GPS 4K professional camera drones brushless RC toy quadcopter for travel gifts. Adam. The Potensic C0 Mini Drone is perfect for travel, offering a 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal for stable footage, a 6 km GPS range, and a brushless motor, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and pros on the move. The advantages: compact and travel-friendly size, 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal for smooth footage, extended GPS range up to 6 kilometers. The disadvantages: lower resolution compared to 8K options. At number 1. Lenovo T6 Drone. 8K Professional 4K HD GPS Camera Obstacle Avoidance Aerial Photography Optical Flow Foldable Quadcopter 10,000 mAh. The Lenovo T6 Drone offers stunning 8K visuals, GPS capabilities, advanced obstacle avoidance, and a 10 km range, making it one of the most reliable choices for long-distance aerial photography enthusiasts. The advantages: 8K camera for exceptionally sharp imagery, GPS with an extensive 10 km range, obstacle avoidance for worry-free flights. The disadvantages: higher price point.